y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a fill-in on my client, and she told me that I can do whatever her nails. So what I'm gonna be doing is a blue set of crocodile print nails, and if you guys want to see me create this set, then just keep on watching. So I already went ahead to push back her cuticles, and right here I'm using 180 grit setting band, and we're just removing the shine from her natural nails because we don't want her to be lifting. And then, like always, I'm using the Me Secret Nail Dehydrator, the Young Nails Protein Bond, and also my Premium Nails No Lift Primer. So when you're doing a fill-in, all you had to do is apply acrylic powder to the back of your nails that is grown out. You don't want to cover your whole nail. Like if you're doing that on all 10 fingers, then that would be considered a full set. So the only thing you're doing is just applying it to the back of your nails, and you don't want to put too much acrylic powder near the cuticle area, because if you do that, it's going to overflow and your nails is just going to be a whole mess. But the acrylic powder that I'm using is the Me Secret Clear Acrylic Powder, and then the brush size that I'm using is a size 16, and also the monomer that I'm using is by Me Secret. So I already went ahead and filed her nails. So right here I'm using the Pana extra fine drill bit, and we're just gonna be drilling her nails, smoothing it out so to make sure there's no lumps or bumps. And we're also gonna be sealing her cuticle areas because we do not want her nails to lift at all. And after that, we're just gonna be buffing her nails. So I'm going to be polishing her nails with this eye gel color. I don't actually know what the name is called, but we're just going to be applying this to all of her nails, and I'm going to do it 2 times and cure it under the lamp. So I'm going to be doing a V-cut design. So with this color that I'm using, it is the OPI Funny Bunny. And then when I'm going to do the other side V-cut, I'm going to use the Funny Bunny and mix it with that blue and create like a lighter blue shade. You can't really see it on camera, but in person you can. So that is what I'm doing there. And then after I cure that, I'm going to go in with Funny Bunny again, and I'm just going to be doing the crocodile print onto the filled color of the Funny Bunny color, if that makes sense. You'll see in the video. So we're just going to be applying top coat onto her nails because I'm going to be doing a textured crocodile print nail. So then after that, I'm going to cure it under the lamp, and then we're going to be taking Funny Bunny and we're just going to be making the crocodile print on the Funny Bunny side of her nails. And then I'm not going to cure it yet, but I'm going to pour some clear acrylic powder on top of it. And then we're just going to be tapping her nails to remove any excess, and then we're going to cure it under the lamp and then dust off the excess powder. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.